Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a free Funding Pips demo account. So first of all, come here on fundingpips.com. Then you just have to simply look for the option that says free trial. So over here, you can also directly use the link like fundingpips.com/free trial in order to come on this page. Now over here, you can just simply select any of these plans. Like you can select the two-step standard account. You can also select the two-step pro account. After that, you can just simply click on the option of start your 14-day pro trial. Now over here, you need to simply just select the account size as well. Select the model type, select the challenge, provide your email address and click on the option of start trading. Now, as soon as you do this, you are going to get access to your Funding Pips dashboard. You will receive the credentials. You can use those credentials in order to log in into your MT5 account, and this way you can basically start placing your order. So whatever you trades place here inside this particular account of yours will be reflected inside your Funding Pips dashboard. So you will be able to basically get the feel how the Funding Pips dashboard and the service actually works. So that's how you can basically apply for the free demo account from Funding Pips. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.